We're very pleased with the entire approach from day one through to the completion. We had support all the way through, we had consultation in terms of the people approached us and follow-up, etc. The actual design is really replicating the kitchen we already had, but we're very pleased with the outcome and we think we couldn't have done better with anyone. The fact that it was completed in such short time, the fact that the disruption is minimal, and that was really, very pleasing. Certainly would. I have no hesitation whatsoever to recommend it to whoever may be looking for a new kitchen or part thereof. We did have a great experience with United Stone. They were outstanding all the way through the process.